Hello there, welcome to my channel IST Home Decor. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show you some exclusive small bathroom designs. Here in this video you can find 50 plus smart and small bathroom designs. The bathroom is more than just a maintenance room for life where we oftentimes both start the day as well as end the day. When remodeling your bathroom's aesthetic, there is a lot to consider. For certain, and like all rooms, balance is key in how all the components work with each other to create the ambience you are looking for in this most important room of the house. One of the most important aspects of a bathroom design is the comfort you get from it. Bathroom comfort is arguably one of the most important things a bathroom has to offer, so make sure that you are focusing on it as much as possible. Bathroom comfort is accessible in so many different aspects of your bathroom that the process of incorporating it in your design will be easy and affordable. The comfort of your fixture, accessories, and environment is crucial to your enjoyment. When it comes to choosing the right bathroom countertop, blending durability and aesthetics is critical. Just think for a moment about the different elements like moisture, cleaning supplies, and toiletries that bathroom countertops will face over the course of their life. Having the right wall tile in your bathroom can make all the difference when seeking the special wow factor to the overall ambience of this most important room. Whether it matches the flooring or accents the flooring, choosing the right bathroom wall tile will put an exclamation point on your bathroom design. A shower should be comfortable on your feet and everything should be in reach so that you don't experience any annoyances. Sinks should be mounted at a comfortable height and be made of a smooth and sleek materials as well. With that being said, you should look to every area of your bathroom to increase comfort, not just the fixtures listed above. All in all, you should always be trying to find the best fixtures for optimizing your comfort. The design of the vanity in terms of colors and materials are also important. Your bathroom should be matched with the rest of your bathroom designs. If you have a certain design in mind, make sure your bathroom vanity fits in with it well. Bathroom vanities are so important to a bathroom design due to how much you need to use it. Because of this, it should be comfortable to use and beautiful to look at. Great design elements and a great way to boost bathroom comfort. Rugs are especially effective in a comfortable bathroom designs. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video will help you to make a perfect and smart bathroom for your home. And friends, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.